Troy University Campus Police has new equipment that will make protecting and serving a little easier.
We were having a little bit of problems, especially with female officers that we brought through over the years. Females were having a little bit of trouble shooting a 40 caliber pistol that we carried before. So we were able to go back to a 9mm round. The officers like it, it's easier to shoot.
Those 40 caliber pistols were 15 to 20 years old, but they now carry brand new guns and body cameras.
We've always had a few body cameras down here at the University Police for the last 3 or 4 years. But this year we saw the need to outfit all of our officers and not just one on each shift.
Campus police cars don't have dashboard cameras, but Police Chief McCall says that the body cameras are more important. He says police rarely have encounters from within their car. Instead, encounters mostly happen inside of buildings.
Where we're seeing the biggest benefit right now to body cameras are in statements. The officers typically turn the cameras on when they get out any situation, and they're recording the students' statements that they're giving at the time.
McCall said these changes were long overdue, and he's thankful for those who helped made it possible.
None of this would have been possible without the help of Dr. Dassinger, our senior vice chancellor. He's been very instrumental in making this happen for us, and as well as our Department of Public Safety Director, Herbert Reeves.
The campus police hopes to get new cars next. I'm Ashley Brown, Troy, TrojanVision News.